and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? It's all about warm and cool colours. Why is it important to understand the difference? We talk about the why all the time in the Smart Art Academy because it is super important. Once you understand the why, it's so much easier to make those art decisions. You can choose to ignore the why, but it's always useful to know why. So, warm and cold colours, what is the difference? Cool colours recede. They make really good shadows. If you look into the distance, if you're painting a landscape, everything has a bluish tinge. Blue is predominantly a cool colour. There are warm blues and cool blues. There are nuances to everything. Warm colours, those bright, vibrant colours like the yellows and reds and oranges, they come forward, so they bring attention to themselves. So if you're wanting depth in a painting, think those colours in the foreground and your shadow cooler colours in the background. Now, a really cool exercise to do to really prove this point is to draw an apple. So this is a ball. This is a red circle. I've done it as a sphere, and normally we have one colour and we use lights and yellows and oranges to bring it forward to show where the light is hitting, and blues in the shadows. But what happens if you turn it around? So here we have, using our lights, yellows and warm colours and reds as our light source, and you can see it makes sense with the blue shadows. You feel that three-dimensionality. Same red sphere, but I'm using blues as a highlight to bring forward and yellows and warp to be a shadow. And it doesn't sit right. Your head doesn't know how to read that right. So understanding how that works will help give three-dimensionality to your drawings. I am over 2 minutes again, but only just. So subscribe, come along to the Academy, you'll learn so much more. And I will see you again in next week's 2-minute art hack. Bye.